The most important advantages of using DCB-only PCI is the concept of leaving nothing behind in the treated vessel. Stenting may cause acute problems like stent thrombosis or occlusion of side branches. And later on, it can also induce neoatherosclerosis in the treated vessel. In contrast, DCB-only PCI allows shorter antiplatelet treatment, which is beneficial, especially in patients at high bleeding risk. It has been shown in many trials already that DCB only is both safe and efficacious in de novo lesions in coronary arteries. DCB is really beneficial in complex PCI. For example, if the predilatation result of side branches or even the main branch is good and there's no recoil over 30% or flow limiting dissection, one can make the procedure much less complex using DCB either for the side branch or for the main branch of the treated vessel. Also, as I mentioned before, in high bleeding risk patients, DCB is beneficial because in case of severe bleeding, all antiplatelet treatment can be stopped during the first 4 weeks, which is not possible after stenting. In my own practice, I use DCB-only therapy in all cases where the predilatation result is good and fulfills the international consensus group guidelines. Second, please, DCB is the most studied DCB in the market currently. It has been tested in 2 clinical trials, randomized clinical trials, and in many registry-based trials involving different clinical and anatomic scenarios like complex lesions, calcified lesions, even total occlusions. It's very important that the device that is used in everyday practice is well studied and the clinical outcomes are predictable. It's very important for the patient, but also it's very cost effective for the hospital. There are other DCBs also in the market that are less studied, and we have to be quite cautious using them, especially in the complex scenarios. Different DCBs on the market have different excipient agents. That is very important for the transfer of the drug itself to the vessel wall. And that's why results from another DCB cannot be extrapolated to other DCBs. Actually, the direct comparisons between different DCBs in randomized settings are very rare at the moment, but we can see from the registry-based studies that there are differences in the efficacy of different DCBs. This is why one should consider using ones that have the strongest data behind them.